This one is pistachio, I'm guessing. Pistachio Turkish delight.
Yeah. Very nice, very delicious.
Is this a fry?
This French fries, yeah.
French fry. Oh, that is so good. I was expecting more from that mosque, but it was kind of disappointing. Eminonu Yeni Kami. I mean, you see on the outside it has like these tall minarets and domes, but you couldn't see anything on the inside. So either it's under restoration or it just really isn't that good. Don't judge a book by its cover, and don't judge a mosque by its outside. Ready? Our next stop is a very famous shop here in Istanbul. It's called Tatlıcı Safa, and they're famous for Kunefe, which is this traditional dessert. But first, on the side, on every snack or dessert, you have to have tea in Turkey. It's just a tradition. And I got apple tea, which after today has become my favorite tea ever. I mean, it's so sweet, it's so fruity, so delicious. Let's try it out. That fruitiness with that tea flavor, that's just so unique, and it's so comforting. It's so warm, and it just, my whole soul feels better. Let's talk about kunefe. Kunefe is a traditional Middle Eastern dessert that is basically grilled cheese, and they put pistachios on top, and it's soaked in syrup, and I'm so excited. I haven't had kunefe in years. My Arab friend actually introduced me to kunefe, so ever since then I've never had it, but I'm having it here in Turkey. This is one of the most exciting moments of my life. Oh wow, yes, you can see that sticky cheese just, oh man, covered in that syrup. That is amazing. Okay, lift it up. Oh, look at that piece. Alright, let's try it out. The best cheesecake in the world is not in New York. It's kunefe in Istanbul. Oh, imagine a cheesecake, but the cheese was crispy. It was thin little strands that were so crispy. It's like biting into a cheesy biscuit soaked in syrup, like literally drenched in syrup. The syrup layer makes up half of the cake, and on top got a little bit of a grounding of pistachio, adding a little bit of color, texture, and flavor. Oh, there's a reason why kunefe is one of my favorite things to eat, and wow, this bite just confirmed it. And the sizes are actually pretty small, but wow, that is, my soul is happy. Some apple tea, some kunefe. I could die right now, and I would not regret it. Oh, this is happiness in a plate. Wow, that might just be one of my favorite things ever. Kunefe and apple tea. Wow, my heart is so warm right now. I am so happy, so satisfied. One of the orange juice.
One orange juice.
Thank you.
Thank you, monsieur.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's so refreshing. That is, I don't know what's more heartwarming, kunefe or orange juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice. Entire parts of Istanbul that are just absolutely quiet, like here. Man, I love this city. We're gonna go to a place so that we can fly our drone. So let's head over there. All right, we are now at Sultanahmet Square. Security is very tight. We're gonna try and fly a drone. Either the next vlog will be from a Turkish jail cell or there will be no more vlogs, but sometimes you gotta risk it to get the biscuit, so let's try it. Well, I am back, so that means that I am not in a Turkish prison, and that means I didn't get caught. Honestly, I don't even know if it's illegal to fly a drone. I just know that they had really strict security entering this part of Istanbul, and they really checked your bags. So I'm assuming you can't, but if you know the laws of Turkey, if you know what the drone laws are, feel free to update in the comment section below. Man, the strong wind signals really limited what I could do with that drone, along with the fact that the Mavic Mini relies on a Wi-Fi connection. So since we're in the middle of a big city, it's very difficult for the Mavic Mini to fly without Wi-Fi interference. It is currently 7:30. Let's go grab some food. Okay, here's a great piece of advice if you're in Istanbul. Right behind me, we are at Sultanahmet Square. As you can see, the Hagia Sophia is right there. This stall is selling orange juice for 20 Turkish liras. For reference, the orange juice I had earlier was 2 Turkish liras. That is literally 10% of that price right there. Do not eat at Sultanahmet Square. Do not eat anywhere near the Hagia Sophia. Get out of here if you want to eat something, because wow, that's a 1000% markup right there. Don't fall for the tourist trap. Can I sit in here? Yeah, sure, thanks. Next food stop we are at is a stop called Sultanahmet Koftecisi. It's been around since 1922, which means that it's gonna be 100 years old in 2 years. That is insane to imagine, but I mean, these meats, these little meatballs, also known as kofta, they're so juicy. You can just look at that. Oh, I'm literally, I can't even wait. This smell, the grilled meat smell, the whole restaurant has it, but when it's put in front of your face, it's just wow. You can literally smell the smokiness of the meat. All right, we gotta go in. Let's try this out. I used to always say that the best grilled meat I've had is bun cha in Vietnam. This just took the spot, no question about it. It has the bounciness of a fish ball, plus the flavor of a kebab, plus the grilled charredness of a bun cha from Vietnam. It has the best things from all around the world combined into one thing. Oh my god, I mean, just pressing in, the juices are leaking. It's literally leaking everywhere. Oh my god, this is insane. Okay, there's a chili sauce on the side. I'm just gonna put some of it on the kofta. Let's try this out. Oh no. As if it couldn't get smoky enough. The chili sauce is spicy, but it's also really smoky. On top of smoked, super smoky grilled charred meat. Oh, that is delicious. Now, they have a whole loaf of bread that they give you here. So I'm gonna take a piece of the bread, cut a piece of the kofta. Alright, put it together. Let's try it out. There is a reason that this stall has been around for 100 years, and let me tell you, that bite is the reason. The bread is fluffy, it's a little bit chewy, but man, that meat, I don't know how they make it so good. I'm just at a loss for words. This is so juicy, it's so smoky, you can just see it on the outside. I don't think there's any other words I can use to describe it. The umami flavor, the grilled charred marks. Oh, it's perfect. If there's one thing you have to try in Istanbul, out of everything I've tried today, this is the one you have to go for. This is so good. Like, man, if you don't come and eat this when you're in Istanbul, you've missed out the best part. I mean, that really is a delicious place to get kofta. A delicious place for any time, honestly. That was, man, one of the best meats ever. It was 29 liras, a bit on the pricey side, but I'm more than happy to pay that. That was so delicious. Well, unfortunately, the last stop we wanted to go to ran out of food. So we'll probably visit that tomorrow. This is probably going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more food and travel videos. Like I said, this is going to be the first of many videos here in Istanbul. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Sky is falling.